Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing well. So as you can see by today's title, I'm doing something a bit different over on my channel. I'm doing an iPhone unboxing. Yeah, you heard it right. Drum roll please. I got, as you already know by the title, I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's so beautiful. It's not even out of the box yet and it's so beautiful. It just arrived about half an hour ago. And I literally phoned my provider yesterday because I wanted a new phone. I was like, I just need to get the latest phone. You know the whole thing, like you need the latest iPhone, blah blah blah. And yeah, I got a not so great deal, but I don't care. I wanted it. I got it. Do you know what I mean? I've been listening to Some Rings so much and manifesting. And look, this came my way. So the current iPhone I have is the iPhone 8, and honestly, why? Why did I get the iPhone 8? I got the 7 Plus before and I just don't know why I went down a size because I have such like big hands and it's like, it's nice. I mean, this phone, the new one, seems very big, but we'll see. But yeah, it's just in this disgusting yellow case now. But I mean, the back is stunning because I kept the case on all the time. The screen is very, very, very scratched. Like, I mean, not noticeable unless you like look at it sideways. There is like a little noticeable one here you can't see on camera, but yeah, this is the phone I had. I got it in 64 gigabytes and it was black or jet black, whatever it is, like the shiny finish at the back. Apparently, my parcel, my Amazon parcel has arrived, but I never got a notification and oh, that might be a notification. Oh no, it's my, I don't know. Oh, what's happening? Came through the door, how rude. Yay. We have got oh my god. I'm so excited. Wait, what is this? Oh, okay. Oh my god, wait, this is the size of the phone. This is massive. Wait, that's the size of the phone. Are you kidding? The most nerve-wracking thing is about this whole thing is doing the screen protector because I hate when they have air bubbles in them. Oh. Are you ready? Should we do the honours? Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. Are you ready? Oh! Look at it. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna die. Oh, it's massive. That is crazy. It's so big. I'm so confused. No, there. Call the police and have me arrested. Okay, this is the most unorganised unboxing ever, but I'm kind of living for it because that's my life. Okay, oh, I can't open any of these. I'm so stressed because I want this out of the way, this screen protector part. This is a shambles. I shouldn't have you near anything. Wait, how do I do this? Oh, get off my finger, you silly goose. I'm shaking, okay. Which way does it go? Hello? Does it matter? Oh my god. Okay. Too much going on. Actually out to get me. I just can't get over there's no home button, that's so weird. Oh, stop. Ugh, I don't know if that's right. Ah! The frame needs to stay on, oh no. Maybe I shouldn't have. Ah! You kidding? One bubble. I think that's the hard part over, like, honestly, that gave me anxiety. That is beautiful, hello. Oh, Hello, yeah, I'm just currently doing a video. Okay, yeah, okay, bye. Hello? Set up manually. God, what is my Wi-Fi? Oh, hello, love. What are you doing falling on me? Can we look at the side? What? That is like a mirror. I'm still getting used to the no home button. It's kind of weird, not gonna lie. But it's fine. And then this is the back. So beautiful, like, hello. And the camera is so pretty as well. I love the camera. Are you ready? La, 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 la. It's been a couple of hours later now and I've kind of been juggling Zoom and having a new phone. Uni life, but I have actually got like a few apps now on my phone. I've got like Instagram and stuff, but I'm going to show you like up close and personal. So here we have the new phone and let me just unlock it. Hello? Oh, perfect. And yeah, this is the new phone. It's so cute. I love it so much. These are the apps I've got so far. So I've got like, let me zoom in. I've got WhatsApp, ASOS, Instagram, PayPal, and then Depop and my Lloyds, and then I've also got Spotify and YouTube down here, and they're literally the only apps I've got. But yeah, I'm gonna probably think of more apps that I had on my old phone and then get them on here. I am filming from my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this is the result. Oh my God, it's so much better than my bloody camera. So actually I'm going to show you because I don't really film on my other phone. I never did really. But this is the camera I've been using. So it's got the tripod connector thing, but I just use the G7X. And it's honestly, it's not that good at all. Like I really don't like it. I'm thinking of selling it now that I've got this camera because I mean, look at the quality. It's so much better than this. But yeah, it has a flippy like the flippy screen, and I got it in the Mark II. Should we go into like a low light scene? Look at me actually becoming a tech guru. Okay, so let's go into the hallway where there's like no windows. It's so dark. Wow. That's very good for like low lighting. Okay, let's go in the living room. Wow, it's so incredible. Okay, that is literally perfect. But yeah, that is my camera test for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Ugh. Oh my God. I can't do this anymore. Did that just crack? So that has been this unboxing video. First impressions of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It is a massive phone. Like if you have small hands, then I really wouldn't recommend it. My hands are massive and I kind of am struggling, not gonna lie. I'm really paranoid there's like cracks all on my phone now. I feel like I see something, but I don't know if it's a glare or not. But yeah, I wouldn't get it if you have small hands, and yeah, you can't, like, I struggle to like reach the top of the phone, if that makes sense. But I do like the big version. Like my phone was really small. I mean, I did get used to it after a while. With not having a home button and coming from having a home button, I'm obviously literally just used to it already. It's literally been like a couple of hours since I've had this phone, and I'm so used to it. So that doesn't bother me at all. The camera is absolutely incredible. I'm gonna see what it's like when I fully upload this video and like when it's on YouTube. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to actually put the video in 4K because I think the whole video would have to be shot in 4K for you to put it in 4K, but I don't know. That has been this video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. It was probably the most messiest unboxing you've ever seen. Yeah, I'll see you guys very soon for another video. Bye! Bye, bye, bye.